Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome or welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I'm going to share with you the color recipes for one of the palettes that I used on the slab I made a few weeks back. I'm calling this my Coming Summer Colors. Let's make Pistachio Green, Iguana Green, Soft Purple, Carolina Blue, and Royal Blue. If it's your first time on my channel, let me just say that before I do any project, I clean my work surface first. I work on a glass mat, which is very easy to clean. I just spray it with some alcohol and wipe it down. I also usually prepare my reference colors. There's Pistachio Green, Iguana Green, Soft Purple, Carolina Blue, and Royal Blue. For Pistachio Green, you will need 1 part of Sculpey Premo in white. I am also using 1/8 part Sculpey Premo in Spanish Olive. When I roll out my clay, I make sure that all of them are rolled out into the same thickness, and I use the same cutter. Let's make a color check, and as you can see, we've made a match. For the next color, which is Iguana Green, you will need 1 part Sculpey Premo in white. Next, roll out and condition Sculpey Premo in Canary Yellow. Cut this in 1/8 parts. Finally, mix in 1/2 part Sculpey Premo in Spanish Olive. Now we're moving on to the bluish hues. Let's make soft purple. Mix 1 part white with 1/16 part of Sculpey Premo in purple. Purple is quite a strong color, so make sure you only add very little to the mix. Moving on, let's make Carolina Blue. Mix 1 part of this Souffle in Bluestone, which is a blue color with gray tones. Then, add a 16th part of Premo in purple. Finally, we're down to the last color, which is Royal Blue. Mix 1 part of Souffle in Bluestone with 1 part of Premo in Navy Blue. If any of you are wondering if it's okay to mix Souffle with Premo, I can say that it's perfectly fine to mix different kinds of Sculpey. I even mix colors across brands. And that is it for this weekend's color mixing video. I actually made a new slab using the exact same colors and came up with this floral piece. If you haven't yet, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!